The quick concepts for my Algebra 1 class. Today we're going to talk about a couple things. We're going to talk about division by zero, or the lack of it. Division by zero. And then we're going to get into order of operations because division by zero is pretty easy to explain. Pretty much you can never ever do this. Okay? You can't even attempt it. So anything when you divide by zero is considered undefined. So just remember, this is a huge no-no in anything. So this does not in any way, shape, or form equal zero. This is not, nope, does not equal zero. You would just write the word undefined next to it. So division by zero is undefined. And we do get into more of that as you get a little bit older and in Algebra 2, and you'll start to understand why. But for now, we're going to just leave it like that. The next thing we're going to talk about is order of operations. Now, obviously, this is introduced a long time ago, so I like to just review it for my students. So if you remember the acronym PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, you have parentheses. That will always come first. You have exponents. That will always come second. You have multiplication and division, which pretty much are on the same playing field. Understand that. You usually just go from left to right on that one. And the same thing for addition and subtraction. These are on the same playing field. They go from left to right. Okay, so let's just do a couple of these just so you can see what I'm talking about. So let's say we have 6 times 3 minus 4 times 5 times 6. So first of all, there's no parentheses that we can do anything within. There's no exponent, so we get to multiplication. So 6 times 3 is 18. And I'm just going to bring everything else down. Now we have to multiply. So I'm going to bring this down. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Then I have to multiply again. Negative 20 times 6 is negative 120. 18 minus 120 is negative 102. So again, we did multiplication first, then we did our subtraction. So let's try this one. 3 times 5 plus 2 plus 4 times negative 2. So that's going to be 15. 4 times negative 2, that's actually going to be a negative 8. So 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay, and then let's do this one. 2 times 4 minus 3 times 2 minus 7 plus 5 times 2. So 8 minus 6 minus 7 plus 10. And then we're just going to go from left to right. 8 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 7 is negative 6. And negative 6 plus 10 is 4. And we'll do one more just to make sure we cement this home. So 13, negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. And negative 3 times 10 is negative 30. So 13 plus 20 is 33. And 33 minus 30 is 3. And that is it for order of operations.